I don't know why people say deadlift is bad for your back. It's not.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Brown Barbell Club. This is the third video in the series, which is powerlifting for beginners. We started this series a couple of weeks back and we got the question, should we do the deadlift? Is deadlift bad for your back? In this video, we will demystify the myth that is deadlift really bad for your back or not? Let's get started. Well, first, let's try to understand where this notion of hurting your back came from. Well, old people used to have issues whenever they were growing up or whenever they are picking the stuff from the ground. A lot of doctors, physiotherapists will refrain them from not picking the stuff from the ground because eventually they're gonna hurt their back more. We will discuss this topic in future videos, but as of now, just understand where this notion came from. Following the popularity of powerlifting after 2010 on social media, especially when Larry Wheel was doing PRs on deadlifts every day, a lot of people started incorporating deadlift in their training, which is good. But at the same time, a lot of gym bros and the stupid trainers, they started saying, oh, this is bad for your back, don't do it. Following these gym trainers' advice and seeing a lot of memes on the internet which says deadlift is bad for your back, a lot of beginners, they stopped doing deadlifting, and that's where this myth came from, that deadlift is bad for your back. Now you understood what is a myth and how it gained the popularity on the internet. But now the question is, can you really hurt your back while doing deadlifts? Before I answer this question and hurt the egos of all these trainers, let me tell you why we do the deadlift. Deadlift is a compound exercise. It's not a back exercise. The reason we do deadlift is to make our back stronger and to make our posterior chain stronger. Now, if you are not doing deadlift in your training or inside the gym, I'm sure you are doing the deadlift movement pattern outside the gym. Let me show you how. If you are picking the dumbbells from the ground, you are using your back, you are using your posterior chain to pick up those dumbbells from the ground. Second case I can think of is whenever you are doing any grocery haul. Whenever you are picking the grocery bags from the ground and running, you are using your back and you are using your posterior chain to pick up those grocery bags. Last but not the least, whenever you are picking the kid from the ground, you are using your back and your posterior chain to pick up that kid from the ground. Now you got the idea that you are using your back and your posterior strength in your day-to-day life. So that's why we do deadlift. We do deadlift to increase our strength in these day-to-day tasks. Now let me ask you a question. How can an exercise which is supposed to strengthen your back can hurt your back? So the answer to that question is no. Deadlift is not bad for your back. Instead, it makes you stronger in your day-to-day tasks. But wait, is there any case where you can hurt your back while doing deadlifts? Let's find out. Answer to that question is yes, you can definitely hurt your back while doing deadlifts. Just like you can hurt your chest while doing inclined bench presses.
Yeah, come on, stay with me, stay with me. Yes, let's go.
I'm here.
You've got you. Drop it. No, shit.
Jokes apart, yes, you can hurt your back while doing deadlifts only in two cases. The first one is when you don't know how to use the weights or how to increase the weights in your training, like on weekly basis, or if you don't know how to crank up the intensity in your weekly or in your monthly training. Second case is when you think of a deadlift as a back exercise and not the compound movement. In these two cases, I think there's a high chance that you will hurt your back while doing deadlifts in the training. Now, if you want to know how to increase the intensity in your training programs or in your weekly or monthly basis, I would say wait for the upcoming videos. Alright, I hope we were able to remove this myth or rumor from your mind that deadlift is not bad for your back and you can start incorporating this movement in your training. There's a high chance that if you are a newcomer or if you want to start powerlifting, you will hear it once in a while in your powerlifting career or in the starting. Or if anyone complains, show them this video. That being said, I'm going to see you in the next video. Till next video, be strong, stay safe.